Yeah?
Hi.
Alright, I'm up on the roof with Big Dave, Simona, the horse.
Oh, you bitch.
Anyway.
The Mormon prick is standing down there with a skateboard. No. And we're going to teach him a lesson for being a Mormon. I think that's the plan. Is that right, Harry?
Huh?
We're teaching you a lesson for being a Mormon.
What? I just going down and throw it at her.
Come on, do it.
Alright.
Don't do it.
You want to throw the apple? You want to throw the apple, Big Dave?
Start off with.
Hey boys, I'm going to go do the garden, mate.
Hey, come here.
Alright.
Right, no, we'll throw the milk next.
No, it's okay. Save the milk for last.
Okay.
Alright.
Harry, come a little closer. We got a little present.
Might help you do the garden in a bit.
Oh! Holy shit, he's out cold.
Now.
I think we'll just go, little, give him a bit of bone structure.
No.
Now.
Oh my
Oh. Oh my god, he's being harassed by the dogs. I think he's out cold. Mick!
Did he have his face?
I don't know.
Look, we're fixing Harry.
Hit him pretty good. Licked his crotch.
Hey Harry, that's funny.
That
was me.
Wait, don't let him.